This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today, and I'm making a chopped cheese. Chopped cheese is just a burger, and it's chopped up with cheese on top. I'm from New York, so New Yorkers always have to do the most. Just squeeze my pan with some avocado oil. So, as a teenager, I used to eat this. They only had it at this one particular place, but as I got older, they started selling chopped cheese at all bodegas. I have some red onions I cut up. I'm just gonna put that on the side and let them heat up and stuff. This is not like meat or beef, so it shouldn't take that long. Let's try to turn it over. Yeah. I'm gonna let it get a little darker, and then I'm gonna chop it. I'm gonna show you why I call it chopped cheese, because you chop it, and I'm going to put some seasoned salt on it. Put some onion powder. And some black pepper. You would just season it like you would do a regular burger. Flip it. Have a little color to it. I think I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. Turn it up just a. So being that this is not beef, I'm just putting the same seasonings I put on the other side. Being that this is not beef, it should be ready for me to chop now. I have a regular spatula. Take it like this. I'm just gonna chop it. A piece fell. I should have used a frying pan instead of this skillet thingy. Turn the heat down. I don't know why I'm using this skillet like I'm really in the bodega. I mean, this spatula. I'm going to mix in the onions now. They're over here heating up and stuff. Chop that all up in there. Chop it up. See, I see the way it looks. That's all there is to it. Chopped cheese. This is chopped cheese, guys. Voila, this is chopped cheese. Now I take the cheese, my non-dairy American cheese, cheddar cheese, I think it's cheddar. Put it over. See, it's over. It's on this. I'm wondering if I want to be fancy and do the most and put another type of cheese on here. I think I do. Put this here. So this is cow cheese. The name of it is C-A-O-U. This is the cheese they have at Walmart as well. Gonna just take a slice. Just sit it on there. Let that melt down. Okay, so my chopped cheese is done. I'm just going to build my little, how we do it. So I'm gonna get some vegan mayo. Can y'all see that? Anyway, this is vegan mayo. I already toasted my bread. I put a generous amount on each side. I put my lettuce. Boop, boop, boop. I put my tomatoes. Doo-doo-doo. I've been singing. Oh, so this is the patties that I use. I use the Beyond Beef. And this is how it came out. So, I'm going to put it here. Go, sisters, go, go, go. bathroom? Cora, go upstairs. When you come back. So, this is how it's looking like. I'm going to add some ketchup. I was going to add some sweet potato fries and all that, but I'm like, I'm really not going to eat that. Not going to eat all of it. So, I got some pickles here. This is the dill pickle chips that I showed y'all in my Walmart haul yesterday. I love these chips. Look at you. Let me take a picture of this. I'm gonna take a picture and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the finished result. This is my chopped cheese with my pickles. Going to take a bite of her. This, let's see. Oh, I have everything in this bite. Lettuce, tomato. Look at the cheese and the, oh. I'm gonna take another bite. Oh my god. Cheers. Okay. The pickle though, this is good. This is wrong. Chopped cheese. The one. Vegan nice. The one. Thanks for watching. Bye.